Hi, welcome to Creative Ninja. Today I am gonna show you how to create pattern design. Select rectangle shape tool. Create a perfect square. Fill color with color picker tool. Duplicate square. And fill second color. Color fill move stroke. Expand stroke. Copy stroke and resize. Select blend tool. Click on outer stroke. Then click on inner stroke. Then go to Object and Blend. And set blend options. Rotate shape. Copy background layer and move bottom for shadow. Go to Object and select Pattern. And follow video steps for pattern create. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks.